Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make money on TeePublic. I will talk about everything you need to know about TeePublic. From sign up, to getting your designs searchable. Initially, your designs will not show up in search results. You have to follow a few steps to make your designs searchable. I will sort everything out in this video. So, without wasting any moment, let's get started. First, you need to sign up. Click on Designer Sign Up. It's really simple, just put your email and get signed up. Go to My Account and then Account Settings. Select a payment method, whichever is suitable for you, and enter the email address. Now go to Edit Settings. Select username for your storefront. Now upload your first design. If you are a graphic designer and can make digital designs, you are good to go. If not, you can make designs in Canva for your storefront. Go to canva.com. Use custom size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. If you are using Photoshop, use 5000 by 5500 pixels because it's more suitable, but Canva only supports custom size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. Let's suppose you have a niche about cat designs. You can search on Google or other platforms for inspiration. Now download the design. If you have Canva Pro subscription, you can download it with transparent background. Otherwise, you can remove background later on remove.bg website. Choose a unique name for your storefront. Put in most relevant title, tags and description. Most people do not fill description tab. Don't do this mistake. Description plays a very important role in SEO. Now select the colors of products, and scale design on products. Now upload logo and cover photo for your storefront. You can make them on Canva. Fill in bio and add your location. Now add links to your social networking sites. Add as many links as possible. After completing all these steps, you have to upload at least 20 designs to your storefront. After that, you can send email to TeePublic to make your designs searchable. TeePublic will reply to your email within 2 business days. Make sure to upload original designs to avoid rejection. TeePublic's link is in description. So, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know in comments section. Like this video if you think video was helpful, and make sure to subscribe. Goodbye, take care.